In this slide, we are going to understand about what is meant by assets under management. Anybody's worth, that means financial worth or financial value, is calculated on the basis of how much asset that particular person having and what is the value of that assets and current, that means today. Based on that one, we are telling about the person is millionaire, the person is there that multimillionaire, the person is called it as there the poor, the person is under the category of there the middle income, lower income, and so on. The same way, the value of their the particular scheme or value of their the particular company is based on their the value of their the particular scheme or their the asset managed by their the particular company. The relative size, that is value of mutual fund companies, is evaluated by their assets under management. The asset under management of a mutual fund is a sum of the asset under management of all its schemes. For example, XYZ company is having there that multiple scheme, 10 schemes are there. The value of the particular company, that is asset under management, means what is the value of all these particular 10 schemes will be the value of the asset under management. This can be expressed in this way. Assets under management is the total market value of the investment that a person or entity manages on behalf of clients. Assets under management definition and formulas are vary by company to company. When the new scheme is going to be launched, means that the time the asset under management amount is mobilized from investor, which means how much money is collected from the investor, that is the asset under management. But thereafter, because of performance of the scheme and that is amount is invested in the market and all, the AUM is keep on going to be increased and keep on going to be decreased. Whenever the income is there, that AUM will increase. Whenever the expenses are there, the AUM is going to be decreased. And in sometimes in open-ended scheme, the new investment is coming in, existing in some income is going out. All these things, it make the AUM of the particular company either increasing or they are the decreasing. But the point is to be here, what the investor has to be understand from this asset under management means, when the profitability of the particular scheme can be calculated under assets under management in various time period, it will help the investor to understand that whether the scheme is performing good or performing the bad. So in this slide, we are understanding about what is meant by assets under management and what are the factors influencing the assets under management value in current as well as in the future. Thank you.